Здравствуйте! С вами канал Kids, Russian for Kids and Adults. Сегодня мы с вами будем говорить о гласных буквах русского языка. Today we are going to talk about Russian vowels. There are 10 vowels in Russian. They are divided into two groups: hard vowels and soft vowels. The hard vowels are A, O, U, Ü, E. You can see them on the left side of the screen. The soft vowels are Ya, Yo, Yu, I, Ye. You can see them on the right side of the screen. Now, let's focus on each of them separately. The letter A we pronounce like in the word far. Letter O we pronounce like in the word note. U like in moon. Ü. There is no sound that's similar in English language. There is no equivalent. Ü. E like in the word bed. To produce the soft vowel sound, when you pronounce it, simply add a Y letter to a hard vowel. For example, Ya, Yo, You, Ye. Keep in mind that some Russian vowels look very similar to English vowels, but their pronunciation is very different. Let's look on the soft vowels again. Ya, like in yard. Yo, York. You, like word you. Yeah, yes. E, like in the word meat. And now let's look on the sample words. A, arbuz, watermelon. Я, яблоко, apple. О, облако, cloud. Ё, ёлка, Christmas tree. У, утка, duck. Ю, юбка, skirt. Ü, no equivalent in English. We use that letter Ü to create plural. Plural is more than one. Столы, tables. И, иголка, a needle. Excavator. Ежевика, blackberry. And now, time to practice. Can you try to sing these vowels? Try first without me. Okay, now let's try to do with me. A, O, U, E, Ü, I. One more time. Sing with me. Пойте со мной. А, О, У, Ü, I. All right, good job. And now, can you sing the soft vowels? Try first without me. And now, let's try to sing it with me. Я, Е, Ё, Ю, И. One more time. Я, Е, Ё, Ю, И. Хорошо, молодцы. Good job. На сегодня все, и я с вами прощаюсь. That's all for today. До новых встреч! See you soon! Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Не забудьте подписаться на наш канал Russ Kids.